People often ask, if the Igbo migrate so much, why is the Southeast still growing? Some say it with confusion. Some say it with pride. Others say it with suspicion. But the truth is this: Igbo migration is not abandonment. It is a strategy, a global one, and it's the reason the Southeast continues to transform even faster than expected. Igbo migration didn't start today. From the early 1900s, Igbo people moved across West Africa, seeking trade, skills, and opportunity. They carried one mindset: go out, grow, return with value. Migration for the Igbo is not escape. It is expansion. It is connection. It is strategy. Unlike many cultures, the Igbo person has two homes: the place they work and the place they build. It doesn't matter where an Igbo man or woman relocates to: Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Ghana, the US, the UK. They always build back home. This is why migration doesn't slow Southeast development. It accelerates it. The Southeast receives one of the highest diaspora inflows in Nigeria. This money builds estates, duplexes, malls, private schools, health centers, village roads, town halls, water projects, industries. Every December, billions flow home, powering a cycle of growth. Many Nigerians misinterpret migration as abandonment. But for the Igbo, migration means contribution. They migrate to gather wealth and use the wealth to develop the Southeast. So instead of emptying the region, migration fills it with capital, skills, and global exposure. The Southeast is one of the few regions where development is not driven by government alone. It's driven by individuals, families, communities, town unions, companies, diaspora groups. This is why development continues, even with limited federal presence. It is a bottom-up model, a self-driven model, a uniquely Igbo model. Cities in the Southeast are expanding faster than many realize. Enugu is becoming a quiet tech and administrative hub. Owerri is transforming into a clean, modern entertainment city. Abakaliki has emerged as one of the best planned capitals. Awka is building structured infrastructure and new highways. Aba is reinventing itself for manufacturing and creativity. Migration doesn't slow this growth, it fuels it. The Igbo migration story is not a story of scattered identity. It is a story of multiplied identity. You see the Igbo spirit in Lagos, Accra, London, Guangzhou, Houston, but their foundation, their heart, their final investment is still home. That's why the Southeast keeps growing. It is powered by people who are everywhere, but rooted somewhere.